Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we are going to teach you how you can pin specific websites you visit to your taskbar on your computer, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11, on Microsoft Edge. So let's get started right away. Now, shall we? So what you want to do is launch the Microsoft Edge web browser, of course, and here on your home screen, simply enter the URL or visit any website you like. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to visit, let's say, the eBay or the homepage of eBay. So what you want to do, guys, is being on your preferred or designated website is click on these three dots in the top right corner and hover your mouse over More Tools here at the bottom. And from the following drop-down menu, simply select or click on Pin to Taskbar. There you go. As you can see, Microsoft Edge will then ask you for permission to do that. So either accept or decline that. It will be in English for you. It is in Polish for me, but it will be in English for you. So click on yes. And after that, the given website will be pinned to your taskbar here at the bottom of the display so that you may access the given website with one click of your mouse through Microsoft Edge. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.